In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Excel worksheet navigation buttons to go back or to the next sheet. This is a simple way to make your workbook easier to use, especially if you have several sheets and want quick navigation without relying on the tabs at the bottom. By creating button-style shapes and assigning macros to them, you can move between worksheets with a single click. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Make sure you're in the file where you want these navigation buttons to appear. It's usually a good idea to decide which worksheet or worksheets should have these controls so they're placed where users will naturally look for them. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find tools for adding visual elements, including shapes that can work nicely as clickable buttons. Under the Illustrations section, click on Shapes. A menu will appear with different shape options. Choose a box or button-like shape, then draw it directly in a cell area where you want your navigation button to appear. Try to place it in a spot that's easy to see but doesn't get in the way of your worksheet content. Once the shape is added, label the button. In this example, name the first one Next. Keep the text short and clear so it's immediately obvious what the button is for. If needed, you can adjust the size of the shape so the label fits neatly and remains easy to read. Now create a second button. You can either insert a brand new shape the same way or simply copy and paste the first button to save time and keep the style consistent. Then rename the second button Back. Using matching shapes helps your workbook look more polished and professional. After both buttons are in place, right-click on the next button and choose Assign Macro. A dialog box will open showing the available macro options. Select the designated macro function that matches the button label, then click OK. This connects the button to the action that will move you to the next worksheet. Repeat the same process for the back button. Right-click it, choose Assign Macro, select the appropriate macro function, and press OK. Once that's done, both buttons should be active and ready to use. At this point, you'll have a working next and back button setup for worksheet navigation. It's a small addition, but it can make a big difference in usability, particularly in larger Excel files. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.